Turmeric, the bright yellow spice used throughout Asia for centuries, has in recent decades been embraced by the West, not just for its ability to satisfy our appetite for curry, but for its impressive list of health benefits. Turmeric is quite literally hot stuff. Turmeric and its powerful ingredient, curcumin, have a range of health benefits. Antioxidants have the potential to prevent heart disease, eye conditions and Alzheimer's. Anti-inflammatory properties can help people with arthritis. Turmeric may even reduce the risk or spread of cancer. Here are 5 benefits it can have on your body. 1. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory. One of turmeric's main claims to fame is that it's commonly used to fight inflammation, and the bulk of turmeric's inflammation-fighting powers can be credited to curcumin. In fact, in the right dose, curcumin may be a more effective anti-inflammatory treatment than common inflammation-fighting medications such as Advil and aspirin, according to a past study. As chronic inflammation contributes to many chronic diseases, curcumin may help treat conditions like inflammatory bowel disease, pancreatitis, and arthritis. 2. Turmeric is a powerful antioxidant. Curcumin has been shown to be a robust scavenger of oxygen-free radicals, which are chemically active molecules that cause damage to the body's cells. Free radical damage, along with inflammation, is a key driver of cardiovascular disease, so curcumin can play a part in preventing and managing heart disease. Antioxidants in turmeric may also reduce the risk of cataracts, glaucoma and macular degeneration. As several metabolic diseases and age-related degenerative disorders are closely associated with oxidative processes in the body, the use of herbs and spices as a source of antioxidants to combat oxidation warrants further attention. 3. Turmeric has anti-cancer effects. Numerous animal studies have explored turmeric's influence on cancer, and many have found that it can affect cancer formation, growth and development at a molecular level. As inflammation is linked to tumor growth, anti-inflammatory compounds such as curcumin may play a role in treating and preventing a variety of cancer types, including colorectal, pancreatic, prostate, breast, and gastric cancers. Research has shown that it can reduce the spread of cancer and can contribute to the death of cancerous cells. Turmeric and curcumin may also be able to counteract the effects of some carcinogens, such as certain additives used in processed food. 4. Turmeric can help with depression. An anti-inflammatory compound in turmeric may benefit those with depression. Researchers are finding mounting evidence that an anti-inflammatory compound in a common kitchen spice might help reduce symptoms of major depressive disorder. Like Alzheimer's, depression is also associated with lower levels of BDNF. Thanks to turmeric's ability to boost levels of BDNF, the spice shows promise as an effective antidepressant. 5. Turmeric can improve skin health. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties, turmeric may be an effective treatment for a variety of skin conditions, including acne, eczema, photoaging, and psoriasis. Turmeric treatments may be useful in treating skin disorders, especially as past research suggests turmeric is relatively safe even at high doses. But turmeric's bright yellow-orange color, poor solubility, and poor stability at a high pH make it an unappealing topical skin treatment. How to use turmeric. Blend it into smoothies, use 1 teaspoon for a subtle turmeric hit. Add up to 2 teaspoons for a more intense flavor. Include coconut oil in your smoothie to boost the turmeric absorption. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons to any soup recipe. It will add a deep golden hue to it. When brewing regular tea, add in 1/4 teaspoon ground turmeric to your mug before pouring in the hot water. You can also simply combine ground turmeric with hot water for a tisane. To use the fresh root, you first need to peel it. Just like with ginger root, it's easiest to peel the skin using the edge of a spoon. Then simply grate with a microplane grater or cut off whole pieces. You can wrap the unused portion tightly in plastic wrap and store in the refrigerator for a week to 10 days. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with everyone. If you want more natural remedies and tips, subscribe to the channel.